Good afternoon, world. Welcome to another episode of Dr. Nate Live. September 24th, 2023. Happy Sunday, everybody. Hope everybody's taking it easy on their weekends. I'd love to hear back where we left off on Unity yesterday. And after talking to a few other developers, I'm kind of on board with going back to Unreal a little bit. I'm going to still develop in Unity, but I really am going to try to migrate all of my projects over to Unreal, simply because I don't want to deal with the malware issues or any of those type of issues. I will still develop video games in Unity, but after watching some of the other developers and hearing some feedback from everybody, I think Unreal is going to be the way to go. Simply because in their licensing, they don't have malware that installs. They basically go off of actual financial reporting like most other companies do with game development, because basically when you file taxes, that's where you get all your sales from, your sales numbers. That gives you installation numbers for every single one that you make, correct? So it only made sense to me to just kind of go back to Unreal. Yes, I've been an Unreal developer before. I'm very familiar with it. I just was using Unity because I liked the ease of assets, and I liked their layout and their development platform of how easy it was to use. There's more of an ease of use and more of a comfortability in it because I was using it for so long with other game studios. So I think we're all going to be swapping over to Unreal. Give me your feedback. DoctorNateLive@gmail.com. We'll see y'all tomorrow for another great episode of Dr. Nate Live. Have a great day, everybody. Enjoy your weekend. Be safe.